Hi guys, I'm here with my gorgeous patient, Elba, and we are going to be doing microneedling with PRP, platelet-rich plasma. And what we're going to be doing is just creating collagen and helping to lighten and brighten her pigmentation, and also to help with her under eye darkness here and here as well. So we're going to be doing the whole procedure from numbing to taking the blood, and then afterwards the mask.
I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. We got everything together, so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eye, and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. You turn my sixes to nines. I want you to hold me, ride this with me, set aside your inhibitions. Maybe sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. We got everything together, so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eye, and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. You turn my sixes to nines. I want you to hold me, ride this with me, set aside your
Cool platelet-rich plasma. It helps to build collagen, brightens your skin, even helps with dark circles under your eyes. It's liquid gold. It's amazing. Rejuvenates your skin and brightens your skin.
They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. We got everything together, so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eye, and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. You turn my sixes to nines. I want you to hold me, ride this with me, set aside your inhibitions. Maybe sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. We got everything together, so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my inhibitions. Maybe sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away.
You can see how it just helps support that area. Put a droplet there.
Everything together so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know how we can when I look in your eye and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines.
Feels like it tickles. Tickles a little. Okay, that's better than the pain. Her sneeze zone. It is for some people when I Botox too. She'll notice some areas that I've already treated, they start to feel dry, and it's from the PRP. It starts to kind of dry. So what I do is as I'm treating, I'll apply some PRP on areas I've already treated just to help it not feel so dry. Turn towards me.
Together so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure,
I use different depths depending on what part of the face I'm going.
when I look in your eye and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines.
You can see the needles come out more.
I want you to hold me, rise with me, set aside your inhibitions. Maybe sometimes when it feels right, maybe.
Or you can see the needle go in. It's starting to get a little dry, so I'm just gonna hydrate again. And so the PRP is just soaking in. Because the microneedling makes little tears into the skin. Soaks.
Everything together so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know how we can when I look in your eye and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. You turn my sixes to nines. I want you to hold me, rise with me, set aside your inhibitions. Maybe sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. Everything together so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines.
So doing okay? Almost done.
We can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know how we can when I look in your eye and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you turn my sixes to nines. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eyes, and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my sixes to nines. You turn my sixes to nines. I want you to hold me, ride this with me, set aside your inhibitions. Maybe sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together like we're together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away.
What I'll do is I'll go back and forth, and then I'm going to go a little bit deeper now, and I'm going to go, it's going to sting just a little like this. It hurts a little bit, but that's what helps break up that scar tissue, so it smooths it out.
Tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eyes, and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You turn my
Oh,
Right? That's good right here.
feels like it was in ice or something.
you turn my sixes to nines.
How do you feel?
So good.
To hold me, ride this with me, set aside your inhibitions. Maybe